To maximize your profits, you've got to sell as much as possible. So giving stuff away for free makes no sense, right? Hey, this is Glynn here, and until a few months ago, I thought exactly that. My 6-figure per year online business has been built on selling products to people that need them. How can you make money giving away things without charging? The answer will surprise you. Recently, I went to a customer appreciation event hosted by a big box furniture store. Got there to find hundreds of people eating free food, enjoying live entertainment, and taking home goodie bags of free stuff. This made no business sense to me, so I asked the manager how the store could afford to do this. His reply: these customer appreciation events are our top sales days of the year by a landslide. Why? Because when people get something for free, they tend to pay it back by making a purchase at the same time. It's human nature. Somebody gives us something for free and we want to give them something back. So I wondered if this would work in my online business, and I tried a little test. Took one of my older products that I hadn't sold for years and offered it completely free to my latest customers as a thank you for their business. No charge at all, but the product did have optional upgrades for anyone interested. Within 3 days, this free offer banked me over $1,100 in clear profits. Turned out that many people that grabbed the free offer upgraded themselves to the paid upsells. Just like the visitors to the furniture store's customer appreciation event. To do this yourself, you need a great product to give away for free. You also need related upsell products that people want that little bit extra, and you need top converting sales pages that explain those upsells and how that they help people get results. Now imagine not needing any of that, having it all done for you: giveaways, upsells, and sales pages, and making up to $500 for every person you give a free product to. Welcome to Freebie Commissions. Cash in just by giving away stuff for free. No selling required. Freebie Commissions is your ticket to making boatloads of easy commissions. Without your own products, without selling, without being pushy. Just give away 2 amazing digital solutions and bank easy money as people upgrade themselves to related paid offers. Inside, you get instant rights to gift 2 of my premium products to anyone you like. These aren't low-cost lead magnets or BS PLRs. They're innovative, all-in-one solutions that cost thousands to develop and have converted at extremely high rates as paid products. The first product is a powerful affiliate marketing solution, perfect for marketers of all levels and business owners looking to monetize their websites. The second is a 3-in-1 traffic solution that appeals to anyone needing online traffic. The demand for these solutions is unlimited. Give them away for free and people will love you for doing it. But the freebies are just the first part. Each product comes with loaded multiple high converting upsells that can make you up to $500 in pure profits every time you give them away. The selling is done for you. All you have to do is give away the products for no cost. Then once the visitor grabs access, they see additional premium options for better results. Automated sales pages present each upgrade. User decides which ones they want and you make the commissions. Giving away stuff for free is easy, but you'll still want maximum exposure for the best results. So included with your access is one-click social sharing for 100% free traffic. Plus done for you banner ads linked to your offer that you can share anywhere. Freebie Commissions is about easy paydays now, but also long-term profits tomorrow. The system includes built-in list building with done-for-you landing pages that build your list whilst you're making money today. To generate subscribers, you can market to long-term for extended profits. You also get full access to 2 powerful softwares to scale your results, a premium list building software with 5 landing page templates, plus our custom banner ad creation software to promote any product anywhere and anytime. Use these softwares to find and promote top converting offers in any niche to explode your affiliate income while consistently growing your email list. Full details of this one-of-a-kind system are below, including a demo showing how easy this is to get set up in minutes, and proof of results from dozens of beta testers. They say it's better to give than to receive. With Freebie Commissions, that's finally true for online marketers of any level. No product creation, no paid ads, no hire an expert to write sales copy, just a one and done system for getting paid today, tomorrow, and in the long term. During this initial launch, we've slashed the entry cost to a crazy low time one-time fee, but that won't last. So review the details for yourself, then lock in your access for the lowest possible price. You'll also take home a suite of powerful bonuses to get even better results in less time, but like the one-time price, these bonuses are time sensitive, so you must act now to claim them. And because we're so confident in the Freebie Commissions method, you're covered by an ironclad 100% money back guarantee. If for any reason within 30 days you're not thrilled, your money back. It's that simple. So pick up Freebie Commissions now completely risk-free. Bank up to $500 every time you give away one of my products for free. Build your list and long-term profits at the same time without having to do any of the selling yourself. It really is that easy. Click below to get started, and we'll see you on the inside in just a few minutes.